Have you been wondering how people make thousands of dollars and millions of dollars on YouTube with faceless YouTube channel? You have to follow me from the beginning of this video till the end, because I'm gonna show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel today with just your smartphone or laptop. You don't even need to do anything that is stressful. All the video that you are going to be generated you are going to be using AI. You don't need to get a clip, try to edit, stress yourself, went through a couple of hours to, gather videos to, start making money on YouTube. With this strategy I'm going to be teaching you, you will be able to upload different kind of videos on your channel and get it monetized and start getting paid with the use of AI and chatgpt. And also CapCut, because in this process, it depends on how you want your video to be. On this video today, make sure you follow me from beginning to the end, because I'm gonna show you how to start up a YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channel, you don't even need to show your face. You've been wondering, these AI videos you have been watching on YouTube, how do people come about it? How do they start up making this kind of video? Is this real? Is this not real? YouTube allow people to post AI videos on their channel, get it monetized, start up today, because it's not too late. You can also be part of millions of people that are making money on YouTube today. So today I'll be showing you one of my channel that I made a couple of months ago, and I have a couple of views and subscribers. So this is the channel. So guys, this is the channel, and I have 334k views, total views, and watch time 542, and also subscriber I have about 240 subscriber. So consistency is the key when it's come to faceless YouTube channel. All you need to do is to just generate your video, edit it a little bit. There are some you don't even need to edit the video before you post it on your channel. So this channel you are seeing here, I made this channel 2 months ago, or let me say, no, it's not even up to 2 months, maybe a month ago. So a month ago I've uploaded certain videos and couple of videos on the channel, and the channel is growing every day by day. And you can see this is my channel analytics, and also this is my views. I have about 334,000 views, and also watch time is 542, and subscriber I have 240 total subscriber. The more you keep posting, the more you keep engaging on the channel, it will keep growing. Because one thing about YouTube is that the YouTube algorithm have to know the kind of content you are posting for people, and who are this content for. Is it for children? Is it for adults? And also, what message is this particular videos you're posting on your channel is passing? What message is it passing to people? So with the use of AI, you don't even need to just specify. We have different type of niches. For you to start creating your channel and upload video on your channel, getting niches is the first step you have to do. Just try to go into a particular niche that it will fetch you a lot of money, not you just started posting random videos. While we have channels that do that, they post random videos on their channel and they are getting views and massive views, massive followers, and massive income on their channel while they are posting different videos. But when it's come to YouTube algorithm, before YouTube algorithm notice your channel, you have to based on one niche, what the channel is all about, create a new channel. If you are to create a new channel, make sure you are using old email rather. If you are creating a new channel, try and get a old email to create your channel. Is going to be maybe like 2-3 years ago email that you have to create the channel. Don't use new email, because once you use new email, the YouTube algorithm feel like maybe you are a bot trying to be, posting videos on the channel. Maybe you are a bot That's what YouTube algorithm normally understand when you create a new channel with new email. So on this channel, you can see I'm gonna show you my dashboard and also the kind of content I post. I post random contents that I got created with AI. All the videos on this channel are created with AI. So this is it, and I only post short on this channel. I haven't posted any long form video on this channel. I post only shorts. There are some pages that you can also post long form video. On this particular channel, I'm posting short form video. So, and this is my audience. This is my audience, which I have monthly audience of 133.7k. These are the audience that visits my pages for this month only, because I made this channel a month ago. And also this is the total subscriber, and I have about, so the more you keep posting, the more engagement you see, the more subscriber you got. So that is it. And also, for us to start up this channel, what are the kind of videos I posted on this channel? Let me show you. Let's move down to my channel. I'll be showing you the kind of videos that I posted on this channel and how I earn money on this particular channel. I only have one long form video on this channel, and also let me show you the short form videos and how they are working. Okay, this is it. I have the AI videos that I upload. You'll be seeing thousands of this kind of channel on your FYP on YouTube. This is how this video, I'll be teaching you how this video are being made using AI. It's very quite easy and stress-free. You don't even need anything. All you need is just prompts. All you need to just do is to just make sure you create your prompt proper from chatgpt. The chatgpt will generate prompts for you. And the problem we normally have when it comes to this channel like this is that the way you input your prompts, that's the way the AI will generate the video for you. That's the way the AI will generate the video for you. So what's next? These are the videos that I posted on the channel, how they have been getting viewed, 37k. I have one which went viral, 3k, 2k. So the more you post, the more you get subscriber, the more you get watch time, watch hour. That's all you need to do. Just keep posting. And one thing about this channel is that all these videos are made with AI. So what website do you need to get those kind of videos, and how do you generate the prompts? We are going to be using Sora 2, because I made use of Sora to generate my videos every day. So let's head up to Sora. This is the Sora website. Just copy the link up here. I'll be posting the link under the description as well. So click on the link or just went over to the websites. You will see thousands of videos that people have already made. They are getting views. You can see this particular video, it has about 26k likes, 5k remix, and also reply 672, and also likes is about 26k. And also a lot of people have shared, download this kind of video. And you can also see this, we have thousands of videos there. But for you to now started creating your own video, what do you need to do? All you need to do is just try to generate your own prompts. Depends on the kind of niche and the kind of videos you wanted to be posting on your channel. So what you need to do here is to just head over to your chatgpt. Head over to your chatgpt. This is my chatgpt. Then what do we need to do is, okay, we are here. Since I'm going to be talking about hair, I'm going to be talking about the hair and everything here. I have my prompts ready already. I'll be showing you how I started the prompt and how it generates the prompt for me. So you can see this is the prompt. You can copy it. Please ChatGPT, help me to recreate this prompt and make it more fun and ultra realistic. A future beauty, you can see this is the prompt. This is how I made the prompt. Then I send it to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT replied me with a better form of prompts. You can even ask ChatGPT to split it into different, places. Maybe give you like 10 prompts or 20 prompts for this niche. You wanted to be talking about the new technology, AI here in Dubai, in China, in Korea, in Japan. Just try to bring up different ideas, new ideas. So I asked ChatGPT to split everything to friendly version of Sora to 10. I asked it for 10 version. Then this is the first one, the second one, the third one. So what do you need to do from here? Immediately ChatGPT generates the prompt for you. The next thing for you to do is to just copy your prompts that ChatGPT generated for you. All you need to do is to just copy your prompts. All you need to do is to copy your prompts. Then you head over back to Sora, because I'm using Sora too. Then you paste it. Then you make some settings here. How long do you want your video to be? And what form? Okay, here, let's check on settings. This is, I want it to be portraits. Then I want it to be 15 seconds. If you want 10 seconds, it's also there. So, okay. Here it is. And also, all you need to do is to just paste your prompt here. Paste your prompts here. Once you paste your prompts, then you're good to go. Okay, let's check it out. I'm going to be pasting my prompts here. Then click on paste. Then you read it very well. If you want to make some adjustments, just make it. Immediately you hit it, the Sora will create the kind of video you're looking for. Okay, there are some videos are already created because Sora 2 have limited edition. Why? If you have the paid version, you create unlimited video. So this is the free version. I'm using free version for this class, for this tutorial. I'm using free version for this tutorial. So all you need to do, okay, let's check the video that I've already created on this channel. Let's check the video that I've already created on this channel. So these are the videos. These are the videos that are loading. So I have the video here. You all can't believe that all these videos are made with ChatGPT. All these videos are made with, all these videos are made with AI, which is Sora. The video here you're seeing is AI because it's not real, and it's allowed to be downloaded and re-edited and posted on YouTube easily. You don't even need to edit something or edit. You don't need anything edits. You don't need to edit any video unless you wanted to add a voiceover. And maybe on my next video, I'll be showing you how to generate a script for different niches and generate the voiceover and add it to your video. And once you generate the audio, you add it on your CapCut, maybe on my next video. So on today's video, all we wanted to talk about is making money on YouTube with AI. Faceless YouTube channel is taking over. Even a lot of people that are even making physical video now are not making money like some of faceless channel. I'm telling you the fact, because if you're seeing this AI channel and faceless channel AI videos, they are pulling millions of views. There are some channels that have billions of views. Yes, you can check it out. While you can also create prompts for AI robots for making cars, robots for making laptop, robots for making phones. AI has taken over, trust me. So you can do that on each channel. So You can have 2, 3, 4 channels. Like me now, I have like 3 channels or 4 channels that I'm working on, which one is my physical. The one I'm showing my face is just one, while others are faceless. And it's, you know, it's very, very easy for me to generate video and post on my faceless channel than the physical one. The physical one, I need to edit video. It took a lot of time. You need background music, hook, and all that. It's not easy when it's come to physical channel. But when it's come to faceless channel, YouTube automation, it's very, very easy, trust me. So that's all for today. And as you can see, I've already shown you my channel and the views I'm getting on this particular channel. This is my physical channel. I won't show you. Okay, let's head over to my YouTube studio. This is my physical channel. That's why I'm using my physical channel to, oh sorry, this is my channel. This is my YouTube automation channel. I'm using my YouTube automation channel to teach you guys on how to start a faceless channel. You can see I'm pulling views. The more you keep posting, the more you have views when it's come to faceless channel. The more you keep posting, the more you keep engaging. There are a lot of people that will be commenting AI on your channel. They'll be commenting AI on your video. Reply to those comments. The more you reply, the more you keep engaging on your channel, then YouTube algorithm will understand that this person is not a bot. You are not a robot or a bot that is posting random videos on a new channel. The more you keep engaging, the more the YouTube algorithm pushes your video. You keep engaging. You keep engaging. Reply to comments when they comment on your video. So you can all see that this is quite very, very easy. And once you generate your video, all you need to do is to just hit on the download button, which is this. Then you come straight down here, you download your video, head over to your file where you save your videos. Then you can see these are my videos that I generate with Sora. So let's check this. This is one of the video that I generate with Sora.
Are you enjoying the gardens, darling?
You can see.
The tulips are my favourite.
They came up early this year. Good sign for spring.
So
Look, they're waving. Then we must wave
let
back,
me mute
mustn't we?
this.
Like this. Perfectly done.
A natural, just like.
So you all can see now that this is the video. I have like 3 different videos that I generated using the Sora. Sora is very, very, you can use it for free. We have the free version and we have the paid version. If you know you don't have money, if you know you are not capable of purchasing the paid version, you can also use the free version. You don't need to even stress yourself trying to, you know, get the paid version when you know you're not capable of getting it to start up. You can use the free version of the Sora. So let me know under the comment section if this tutorial really helps, and you can also be part of thousands and millions of people making money on YouTube today. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Whenever I drop a new video, you get notified as well. You know, as you all know, you learn a lot when it's come to this channel. So make sure you stay tuned. See you in my next video. Bye for now.